कुणाला पहिले होतो तो मुझे जूम ऐप है तेरा में जूम ऐप नहीं मालूम
So, good afternoon, all the students. Please mute yourself. All of you, please mute yourself.
मीटिंग भी है
Hello, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So, students, today we discuss the DBMS. Yesterday we discussed that DBMS subject introduction. As I told that it is very important subject, and it is have a bright future for your career. Okay, it is also useful for your bright career. So first, today I would like to take only just introduction syllabus copy में जो है जो introduction part है, and इसके थोड़ा आगे हम लेंगे. So after that we will go for the remaining syllabus. Okay. Okay. First of all, what is data? So I just want to clarify this is because of it is a database management system. For we have to know what is the data first of all. So what is data? I think everybody, I already given the question in the Google Classroom. Almost uh, most of the students are given the answers also. So it is the correct answer. So जो भी answer दिया, it is a correct answer. Okay. So, but once again, I would like to clarify that what exactly the DBMS subject it is, and what is the actual data क्या है, and what is a database क्या है. Like that we will discuss today itself. Okay? So first, what is data? The first thing is data क्या है? Okay. So data is nothing but the data is nothing but, suppose if you, I just want to take one example. Suppose if you take a fan, so everybody know that fan, it contains some attributes, some information. It contains some information like the fan, it contains three wings, and it contains number of rotations per second, इतना speed रहता है, and also it contains the color, manufacturing company, and as well as also it is contains some uh, so model number also it contains. So these are all the things, properties which is belongs to that particular item. But you, when you say that it is information, so it cannot be recorded. But the information, when it is processed, after the processed means processing matlab, when it is properly converted into the so file, it is stored in a particular file, so then we can say it is a data. Okay. So means when you make the, when you recorded all the things regarding to that, what is the model number. Okay, fan ka model number kya hai. Okay, just we need, if you write, you need to write some information. So fan model number is this, so it contains three wings. I would like to write this all the things. So when I am written this, so it will becomes the data. Means पहले data is with the item, but means information with the item के पास है. But when we are processed, after processing होने के बाद, so when you are made some particular record, then it is we call as a data. Okay, so that is the data. So the next one is database क्या है. For example, if you see database, so database क्या है. Database मतलब so we have the data. Okay, so I have written something like this fan is contains three wings, this fan it is contains this much speed, and I just have written the all data, okay, in the paragraph format. Okay, so like for example, some I have written one page of data. Okay, I written one page of data. So in that page of data, so if it is only one fan, it is okay. But for example, if you take suppose a company, suppose any particular the fan manufacturing company want to maintain the, so all so fans information. Okay, so then, so that particular one page of information had to create for all the fans. Okay, for example, if manufacturing company made so 1,000 so fans, and he sold 1,000 fans. So then what happens? For example, we have, if suppose you want to make some data, want to collect the data, then you have to create 1,000 pages, because one page is required for the so one so fan. And like that, if you want to store the so 1,000 fans information, then 1,000 pages we have to create it for each fan, because the model number is different. Okay, for each fan the model number means suppose if you take the car, so car number, engine number will definitely, it will changes for each car. So in that case, everything should be written 1,000 times. And also, what is the problem is, if the data is not arranged in sequentially, or if not arranged in a proper systematic manner, So what will happens, the data so access करने में बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Suppose if it is 1000 records, then it is okay. Okay, we don't. Otherwise, if suppose it contains so lakhs of records, okay, it contains some lakhs of records, then how can we manage this? How can we? Okay, so because of this particular data is not in a sequence, so it is very difficult for accessing the data. Suppose if any manager wants so particular data, particular item ka data chahiye, so I want to change the data, particular item data I want to change it. So हम क्या करना पड़ता है, डेटा फाइल के पास जाना है, फाइल में ओपन करना है, फाइल में डेटा किधर है ढूंढना पड़ता है, हर पेज में हर लाइन में किधर किधर है ऐसे ढूंढना पड़ता है. ढूंढने के बाद हम उसको तो क्या कर सकता है, डेटा चेंज कर सकता है. ओके, सो दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली विथ जनरली फाइल सिस्टम. ओके, सपोज इफ डेटा इज इन द फाइल सिस्टम, so that is actually the so problem. So somebody is asking, so sir, what data and a database? That's okay. That's what I want to say. Okay, so you understand what is data right now. Who is that? Sumit. Okay, Sumit, you just wait. To just few minutes. I would clarify that same. Okay. If meanwhile, if anybody have the doubts, please ask in the chat box also. Okay. So so data is nothing but which is collected information from the various sources, and which is kept in a particular one place. Okay, so we say it is a data, but that data, it cannot have any systematic manner. Systematically हम arrange नहीं करता है. Okay, so we cannot arrange that data in a systematic manner. That's why so the data accessing, it is very difficult. But what is the solution for this? If you arrange this all the information in a particular systematic manner, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू टेक एक टेबल लिया, टेबल लेके एक फर्स्ट एक कॉलम क्रिएट किया, फर्स्ट कॉलम में सपोज आई रिटन द मॉडल नंबर, एंड आफ्टर दैट जस्ट आई एम रिटन दैट नेम ऑफ द engine number. After that I am written the color, after that I am seating capacity, and after that just like that I am created some columns. And after that if you enter the data in this structure, okay, understand. So file क्या रहता है, data is in the file. So in the previously the data is in the files. So in that files the data accessing is very difficult, identify करना मुश्किल है. So because the data, it not contains only just 10,000 records or maybe 10,000 records. Data basically, if you take one company, small company, it compulsory it contains minimum कम से कम so 1 lakh records रहता है, 1 lakh records रहता है. So now, so for this 1 lakh records managing is very difficult. That's why the data, raw data what we are collected, it should be arranged in a systematic manner. Systematic manner में हम arrange करना है. Okay, so like just to take a table, and just to table में हम access करना है. Yes, yes, right now sir I am taking lecture and started. Yes. So I will inform the students. Okay, sorry for disturbance. Okay, so understand this, the data what we collected, which is arranged in a systematic. My voice is not audible. Jitu, is it audible right now? you just check your network or maybe mic so that I think everybody is I think audible. Yes, it is audible. Okay. So you understand that what is the data and what is the database. Here the database means data को लेके डेटा जो हमारा डेटा है, जो डेटा हम कलेक्ट किया है वो डेटा हम लेके रॉ डेटा ओके लेके हम एक बेस क्रिएट करके एक बेस क्रिएट करके उस बेस में मतलब बेस मतलब स्ट्रक्चर, यू जस्ट इमेजिन इट इज ए स्ट्रक्चर. सो उस स्ट्रक्चर में अगर बिठाया तो देन यू से इट इज ए डेटाबेस. So now I think it is clear the doubt. Okay. तो सुमित यू डाउट इज क्लियर राइट ना. ओके. डेटा डिफरेंस क्या है, डेटा है रॉ डेटा रहता है, उसमें कुछ स्ट्रक्चर कुछ नहीं रहता है, कुछ ऐसे फॉर्मेट कुछ नहीं रहता है. so that is the problem. But when it is converted into the some database, okay, बेस में मतलब स्ट्रक्चर में हम इसको रॉ डेटा को बिठाया तो then we say it is a database. Okay. So that is the database. So now next is this is the data, okay, and then the second is database, that is over. Now next is database management. Okay, so next is database management. Okay, so first term is data, it is clear I think, and second is database, is it is also clear. Database management. So what is management? Just one word is added. Okay, so database management. Okay, management means actually what is the task it contains in the managing the data. Generally data managing में हम suppose हम manage कर रहे कुछ event हम manage कर रहे, or suppose if you are managing some data means how what is the things it contains. It contains data create करना पड़ता है, that is one operation. मैनेजमेंट में क्या क्या रहता है, इवेंट क्रिएट करना पड़ता है, इवेंट को प्रॉपरली सो सिस्टमेटिक अरेंज करना पड़ता है, कुछ चीजें हम निकालना पड़ता है, कुछ चीजें ऐड करना पड़ता है, कुछ शेड्यूल अरेंज करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो शेड्यूल चेंज करना पड़ेगा. सो मींस एज ए मैनेजर so he wants to manage the data which is created on it. Okay, so but how can he manage it? Here basically managing is creating the data, and second is the data entry करना है, नया डेटा एंट्री करना है, डेटाबेस क्रिएट करना है. डेटाबेस क्रिएट करने के बाद डेटाबेस मींस द स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, you just imagine database is nothing but it is a structure, systematic structure data. Okay, so डेटा स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करना पड़ता है. डेटा स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करने के बाद उस स्ट्रक्चर में डेटा बिठाना पड़ता है. बिठाना मतलब जस्ट वन रिकॉर्ड एंट्री करना है. ओके, सो रिकॉर्ड एंट्री करना है, दैट इज डेटा एंट्री. एंड आफ्टर दैट एंट्री करने के बाद कुछ डेटा में कुछ गलत रहता है, उस डेटा को हम मॉडिफाई भी करना पड़ता है. सपोज हम एक एंट्री किया डेटा, स्टूडेंट डेटा एंट्री किया, स्टूडेंट एक रिकॉर्ड एंट्री किया स्टूडेंट का. So in that case, suppose if the student name is I want to change student name. So again, so data entry नहीं करना पड़ता है. What we have to do? I want to update that existing record. I want to update a existing record. So that is update operation करना पड़ता है. And suppose sometimes unnecessary data रहता है. I want to remove that unnecessary data. So I can also remove it. Okay. So because I have the rights. Okay, so creating the database, inserting the new record, updating the existing record, and deleting the existing record. Okay, these are the basic management operations. Okay, on a data, if you are doing the something operations like read write operations, update operations, then we say it is a managing data. And sometimes and also it contains so many other operations also, like data share karna hai. Suppose I want to share the some part of the data to some particular person, so this is also sharing the data to some particular person. Okay, it is also comes under the management operation. Okay, so and similarly it contains so many operation privileges देना है, privileges भी दे सकता है. So like this the database what data we created, raw data, and that data should be converted into first into database, and after that we have to decide it what operations I can do on this database. That is called the database management. Okay, understand these three words are not similar. Data is different, database is different, database management is different. Now, next is what is database management system. Okay. Now, if anybody knows, please give the answer for this. Database management system, what it is? Hello. So what is this database management system? We know that database management. Okay. आपका आवाज, is it audible? Please give me reply on chat box. Students, if you are audible my voice, please reply. Jitu, I think you have some particular. Jitu, आपका कुछ तो technical issue है शायद, हाँ? Yes, yes, yes. Everybody is getting audio. Okay, okay, okay. Stop. Yes, yes. Voice connection restricted. किया है मैंने. आप text ही कर सकते हैं. Okay. Disturb मत करो ना. इसलिए मैं voice restrict किया. Okay. So, but मेरा आवाज सुन सकते हैं आप. Okay. Okay. Tell me that database management system. What is this management system? क्या है? Okay. Here purely we are saying that it is a what is system in which we store the data. Okay, the system which stores that data store. अगर system में store किया तो database management system हो जाता है क्या? Data store नहीं करना है, database store करना पड़ता है. Yes, it is a software. Yes, somebody is written. Okay, given the answer. Yes, it is a database management system is nothing but okay a software. Simply it is a software, nothing is there. Okay, because database management में क्या रहता है, database रहता है हमारे पास, database plus management operations. Just I would just like to give some here. So database plus क्या रहता है, management. Database management, ये two things, these two are two different things. Okay, yes, software. Yes, a software. It is a software. Yes, yes. It is right. Rohit is correct answer. Okay. Which interacts, yes, which interacts to the users. Okay. So here, a database plus management. Here the two things are there. So data हमारा पास raw data रहता है. Raw data को हम base create करके raw data को data base में create करना पड़ता है. We have to create some data base. After the database create करने के बाद क्या करना है, manage करना है. So management operations हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? हाँ? How can we do this? Data is actual database का data है वो memory में store होता है. So technically I am talking about this. So database का जो data है, database का जो records है वो memory में store होता है. Memory में जाके हम change कर सकता क्या manually? It is not possible at all. So अगर मेमोरी में जाके मेमोरी में कुछ डेटा चेंज करना है, कुछ डेटाबेस का रिकॉर्ड अपडेट करना है, कुछ डेटा एंट्री करना है, डिलीट करना है, हम मैन्युअली कभी भी नहीं कर सकता है. ओके, दिस मैनेजमेंट ऑपरेशंस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट management operations. The management operations never it cannot done by manually. Okay, it should be done through the one software. Okay, so that particular software, so it gives the privilege to do management operations on the database. On the database में हम ये मैनेजमेंट ऑपरेशंस, मैनेजमेंट में क्या रहता है, इंसर्ट डेटा करना, डिलीट करना, अपडेट करना है, क्या तो डेटाबेस क्रिएट करना, ये ऑपरेशंस हम मैनेजमेंट ऑपरेशन. दिस मैनेजमेंट ऑपरेशंस so will so provided through the software. So here so many softwares are there in the right now in the market. So I think can you list out, anybody can list out some database softwares, database management system softwares? Yes, system which works on the management database. Yes, SQL. What is SQL? It is a language. You just understand the difference. Yes, Oracle. You are correct. You are correct. Anaconda, it is not a database software. Okay. Oracle, yes, it is correct. Oracle also, it is a actually it is a company. Okay, company name. Okay, we cannot use Oracle generally because Oracle में सब बहुत branches रहते हैं. MS Access, yes, it is correct. MySQL, Firebase, yes, these are all the softwares. Okay, so MySQL, Oracle is a company name. Just Oracle में my Oracle का version रहता है. Okay, so 12G, Oracle 12G. So that is the name of the software. Okay, Oracle is the name of MS Access. FileMaker Pro. What is that FileMaker Pro? I cannot understand. Okay, now MS Access. It is a database software. Yes, it is a Microsoft. Okay, company create kiya. And any other? Apache Server, Tomcat. They are not the database softwares. SQL Server. Yes, SQL Server is Firefox, FirePro, FoxPro. Yes, FoxPro. It is a old database. Yes, SQL developer. Yes, MongoDB. Yes, Hadoop. Actually, we cannot say it is a database. Okay, Hadoop is bigger than the database. Okay, Firebase. Yes. Now I understand everybody. Okay, so now database management system. Okay, so it is nothing but it is a software. LibreOffice is not a software. Okay, it is software, but it is not database software. You understand it? Okay, yes, DB2, yes, it is a DB2. IBM company DB2. Okay, so like this, yes. And time is running out. I would like to share the today's attendance code. You just use this today's attendance code as yes, this is today's attendance code. You just use this code to enter in the attendance sheet, and also I think in the Google Classroom I created the question regarding to this meeting. Okay, so in that also you just enter the topic what we are taken today, and also you enter the today's attendance code. Everybody have to do this, and everybody take this screenshot of this meeting. And you have to compulsory upload it on the attendance. If you upload it, then we will consider it as a attendance. Otherwise, your attendance will not be considered. Okay. So didn't get the code. तो अभी screen में दिखा है मैंने. Okay. You just see that 6320. This is the attendance code. Everybody just note on this attendance code and use this attendance code in the sheet. Okay. Okay. So now we will just go through one more slide. If you have the time, then we will go one more slide. Just we have 5 minutes. This is the data and database and database management system. And so next one more thing is also there. You just think about what it is, database system. Okay. Sometimes in some textbooks the title is given database systems. Some textbooks the title is given database management system. But what is this difference again? What is this database system? If anybody knows, please reply in the chat box. Database system. Database management system is only software. Understand? It is only software, just it is software. But what is database systems? Okay, so I will clarify it. Okay, so database system means that the system is nothing but a computer, a server, okay, which contains the database element as well as the database management system software. Okay, if that particular system, that server, if it is contains the database and as well as the software, then it contains one so system within one system, then we can say it is a database system. Okay, so this is the difference. Next, we go for the some applications where we can use this. Oh, just I want to clear this. Yes. Okay, you see this now data definition of the data. It is contains information about a particular enterprise. Suppose if you take one company, so that company related interface information it contains in the DBMS. DBMS means मतलब software में रहता है. And what is the task? It is collecting the related information, related data, set of programs to access the data, and as well as the environment is that both convenient and efficient to use. Okay, we have to create the environment like that the multiple users efficiently access कैसे करना है. Okay, so how it is convenient easily to retrieve the data. Okay, yes. So second assignment does not show any questions. What is that second? Yes. Yes. Just wait. I think you are saying that. Mm. Yes, this is the question right now I created. Okay, so new question DBMS lecture 2. In this lecture, so everybody just go through this link and give the answer for this question what I have created. Okay, here this is a lecture link. So the for if you are attended this lecture, you just write down the code. Okay, so in this answer this question के लिए answer आप code and as well as topic क्या लिया वो entry करना है. Okay, this one. And any other questions are not created at all. Just I am created one quiz. Yes, yes, this quiz will yes, this is a quiz. This quiz will be open to all of you. Just to attempt this quiz, just I created a quiz for you. You just attempt this. Okay. So in your time, actually I given the deadline to 2 days evening up to last I given. आपकी तरफ से लगा, आपके मोबाइल से लगा, इधर से दोनों ना, मोबाइल से है ना. हाँ, मोबाइल दोनों. एक मिनट. बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं पता है? हमें नमस नाम डाल ज्वाइन हो. ठीक है ना? ठीक है सर. ये सब टी का ये देखो. And one more announcement is because the time is going up. Maitre sir next lecture है. Actually it is scheduled at 2 o'clock, but Maitre sir due to that meeting with management, sir will take that lecture at 2:30. Actually he is given information to me for announcing the lecture. So today 2:30 p.m. The Maitre Sir's TOC lecture will conduct. Okay, wait for Maitre Sir start the meeting. Okay. So, and if anybody have any doubts, please raise in the chat box so that we will discuss it. Object oriented is a DBMS. Object oriented, it is just a programming scenario. Structured programming and unstructured programming रहता है. Object oriented program रहता है. Object oriented programming language में ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग में प्रोग्रामिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट रहता है, वो कॉन्सेप्ट है ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड. इट इज नॉट ए डेटाबेस. ओके, इट इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. इट इज रिलेटेड टू द लैंग्वेजेस. ओके, एसक्यूएल इट इज नॉट ए डेटाबेस, इट इज ए लैंग्वेज. हम डेटाबेस क्रिएट किया है. यस, ओके, इट्स स्टोर ऑब्जेक्ट्स, बट इवन दो इट इज स्टोर्स द ऑब्जेक्ट्स, बट वी कैन नॉट से इट इज ए डेटाबेस बिकॉज उसको कुछ स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा नहीं रहता है टेक्निकली. We cannot able to provide the privileges. Okay, so everybody can able to store it, and there is no efficient accessing methods कुछ नहीं है. Okay, software, tell DBMS softwares. DBMS softwares अभी हम डिस्कस किया ना. So IBM DB2 and MySQL and as well as SQL Server and Oracle 12G 11, and also these are all softwares. Okay, we just go through the chat box. So many people are students are given the names. Okay, SQL Server.